There are three Miele Bagless vacuum cleaners to choose from: Miele Blizzard Hard Floor, Miele Blizzard Total Care, and Miele Blizzard Cat&Dog. Blizzard Bagless Hard Floor comes with combination carpet and hardwood floor brush. Choose this model if you have ceramic tiles and low pile carpets. Blizzard Bagless Total Care comes with twister floor head and carpet turbo brush. Choose this model if you have good quality hardwood floors and tiles, natural stones, and low to medium pile carpets. Blizzard Bagless Cat&Dog comes with an electric power head for all types of carpeting, a parquet floor head for any good quality hardwood floors and tiles, and a hand turbo brush for steps and stairs. Choose this model if you have good quality hardwood floors and natural stones, any types of carpeting, and if you have pets. When you purchase a Miele vacuum from us, you can take advantage of our free shipping and 1-year price guarantee. This means if you find the same product cheaper within 1 year of your purchase, we will refund you the differences in price. So trust Miele with your home and your health and buy your new Miele vacuum cleaner today. If you don't absolutely love it, send it back to us within 30 days. We will happily refund your money in full and pay for return shipping fees.